All right, my friends. Well, we're at Natalie's Liquor Warehouse. As I say with a lot of my stores, one of my favorites. I was actually meeting someone over here to hand deliver a bottle that I was transporting across the city for them. Look at this refrigerator. Oh my goodness. Almost looks like a real refrigerator. I mean, it is a real refrigerator, but you could like put salad and stuff in there. So nice. Let's talk about a couple of things real quick. You know, I always say work is really crazy. I do these on my lunch break. I try to do the best I can to try to. I was shooting videos every day. Now they're getting thinner and thinner. August and September are going to be pretty labor-intensive months for me. In September, I'll be at the Kentucky Bourbon Festival. Thinking about trying to do something. Maybe try to do a light meetup if humanly possible. At least say hi to somebody. If you see me there, please say hi. Come in and talk to me and tell me what you think. And I'm thinking about doing something funny. If you walk up to me, I want to film you saying gross. So I'm going to do like one long short of everybody just going gross. You know, because I don't even think they had the bottle. I was going to, oh, I should have waited. So, but you know, if you know, you know. So what do you think about that blackberry? I actually like it. I think it's going to be, you know, it's good to mix with, oh, look at that Kentucky Tavern on the bottom shelf. Such a shame. But, so I'll be at the Kentucky Bourbon Festival, and then I'll be back up in Bardstown, I think the weekend of the 13th for a football game, for a high school football game. And then the next weekend, I'll be back in I'll be down in Okalaka for Bruzel Fest, so that'll be exciting. Had so much fun last year, so looking forward to that. So just comment down below. Are you going to be at the, you could put KBF Kentucky Bourbon, yeah, KBF in there for the Kentucky Bourbon Festival, or if you're going to Bruzel, I think there's still tickets left. I'll be walking around. You know, you see me, say hi. It's funny how many people will hit me up later and go, I saw you, I didn't want to bother you. Yeah, you're not bothering me. Even if I'm filming in a store or something like that, I don't care. Come up and talk to me. I think it's hilarious. So, oh, that pineapple peach. I mean, the pineapple. I wonder what pineapple and blackberry would taste like. I have those two at the house, so I may mix those. Try to make a blackberry pineapple cocktail. Bourbon and bourbon. Oh, and somebody said in the comments that Jack Daniel's is not bourbon. The master distiller from Jack Daniel's actually said yes, they are bourbon. We're just a Tennessee whiskey bourbon. So, you know, if you think I'm lying, you can check it. Oh, I've heard a lot about that Calumet up there. A lot of people were getting the 16 and the 18. Go back to the classics. You know, never trust a bottle that needs a belt. One of the best bottles in the city, hands down. If you don't own that bottle, you should. And then, of course, in Knob Creek, we're seeing more of the Knob Creek Cask Strength store picks. And then A. Smith Bowman is out there sometimes as well. So, also the Benchmark is something great as well. Let's see, good bottom shelfer stuff. I think I blinded one of these with a bunch of stuff. I need to find that video and see what my thoughts were on all that. Blue Note, some great semi-local stuff. Born in Kentucky and abused in Memphis in the heat and the toughness that we are. All right, let's see. There's the Bardstown. Will it go roast? So yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So let's see the bottled and bond. They got the whole, almost the whole family of. Ooh, that's sitting on the edge. I don't like that. Got the big handle. Somebody was talking about the big handles. These are great for parties. You know, you're gonna do a big batch of old fashions. You're gonna have a lot of people around. This stuff is kind of falling out of favor. I bought a bottle on clearance that I've not opened yet, so I need to do. Of course, you can't. Got to load the Fireball. I'll do a big pan of the Scotch just because I like it. I need to Google why they've put that in that package right there. It's like a Christmas package. I like it. So probably gonna need to buy me some more Scotch here before too long. I've had this quarter cast is really good too. All right, we're gonna look at the bargain table. Everything on this table over here is 50% off. So Anything over here you think I should be getting? Aristocrat. I don't even know what that is. Is that a lime flavored vodka? Interesting. I was like, what is that? Oh, that's not the word I thought there was. Copper Cass. Let's see, 6 year. This is a store pick. They only got a couple of those left. Got the Treaty Oak. I think someone, I don't know where that is from. I think that seems like that's Texas whiskey. Yep, Texas. Anybody have any thoughts on that? It's on sale. And Buffalo Chip, I always think that's like, I always think that is some sort of flavored whiskey, but I've never had it, so. All right, I got a special guest star who's going to come over here and talk about what they have. What? So.
My name is Lindsay. Natalie's Liquor Store. Best place you'd ever go.
Yeah.
All right, so at Old Fitzgerald's, this is the new release.
Okay.
Kind of thing. It only comes once a year here.
All right.
A little bit. 2020. Its only release is going to be for this year, 2025.
Okay.
We'll get this once a year as well.
Okay.
The Blue Note Rye.
Mm-hmm. Have you had it?
I haven't had it. I'm more of a vodka, but I've had some of these.
I think you'd like. I think you'd like it. It's very.
You think I would like it?
It's
very nice.
It's very sweet. I mean, yeah.
Weller is very it's very regular, so we just got half gallons in today.
Okay.
Eagle Rare.
Now, is that do you not think that Eagle Rare bottle is a little ridiculous? I mean, can you imagine? I mean, I want to see you pick that bottle up and imagine you're pouring that into any kind of glass at all. I mean, it's.
Well, all you gotta do is just kind of. If you're gonna do it with one hand, all you gotta do is just like this.
I got a bad feeling
like
about.
that.
I got a bad. I got a bad feeling about that. So.
But in general, but yes, we get these are our original allocated. We get them every month at the end of the month. So Weller, regular Weller, so special reserved. And then we get the Fizz in. We just haven't got them in yet. We honestly just got these in today. So Eagle Rare, half gallon, this, and our Blanton's we always get in as well. But these are hard to come by. Our Blanton's little pints. They're so cute, right?
Yeah, they're cute.
So H. Taylor's, always original, and then our 1792 full proof. We do get this in, and we've got
Now,
maybe
I feel like
3 times a year.
I feel like with a 1792, it drinks hot for me. Like I don't know that you would enjoy that.
Yeah,
thing.
I don't like anything raw. I will definitely say that.
Oh.
I do have a southern accent, so don't hate on me if I say rye.
I was like, what word? Rye? Rye? That's no.
Oh man, would you like to say it?
No, it's rye. You're right.
Yep.
You're right. I have the same. I have the same accent. So.
All right. So then the Bottle and Bond, always toasted rye. 2 is the regular. Hey, welcome in. How you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Good. And then the Booker's is just an OG thing too as well. Single barrel proof rye. People don't get that, but we did have the regular single barrel just on a rye.
Mm-hmm.
So with the Four Roses, there's different ones that have been aged, but these are the last 2. And then of course,
I don't get it. What's 4547?
can I say it? Daddy T. I guess so.
Is that his whiskey or just somebody who's doing it?
Or maybe he just supports it.
Oh, okay.
Patriots, I should say. But no, seriously. But yes, it's the Patriots, and that's what it is.
All right.
Daddy T all days.
All right. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And all of you are welcome. So, all right, we'll go over here through the tequila real quick. I should have her take me through the vodka and tell me what her favorite vodka is. What do you think? I have a feeling that the CFO is not going to be happy with this video. So this is organic tequila. I need to ask my guys because this price is pretty good. I have some very aggressive, salty friends on there on our tequila channel. On the Discord, we'll talk about that a little bit. Discord, there's a lot of good information down in the comments down below, or in the description below. You can join our Discord and hang out. And if you want to meet, or people come to town, I took someone around the last video. I'm going to do the same thing this coming Saturday. Someone just said, hey, can I ride around with you on a Saturday? I was like, if you drive, I'll come with you. So he said, yeah, I'll drive. So we'll do that. If you can, hit that thumbs up, comment down below. Definitely comment whether you're going to KBF or Bruzel or not at all. And we can see from there as well. I think they've got all of this locked down in here. All right. right, well, I think that we are pretty close to being done. They do have some of this over here as well. As always, I just want to say, guys, let's take care of each other. You got a friend that you can help do something cool for, or you can be there for, or if you are struggling yourself, hey, be there for them. Do something. Be the hero of somebody's story. That's what I want. And also, I've got some t-shirts down there that are just kind of my general logo. I'm thinking about putting some phrases on there. Of course, is it minty? Maybe be a hero. Something. I don't know yet. And if you're interested in those, comment down below if you think I should do t-shirts. It's kind of outside the box for me. I'm not real good about asking for things or trying to promote things. And yes, I make like $2 a shirt or something. So if that's even something remotely that you're interested in. So, all right, my friends, have a great day. And hey, just be cool to each other, and let's have a great day.